how do you get through this content creation block? It's real. You don't know what to create. Very simple. Very, very simple. What you got to do is reverse engineer, or you can also call it get inspired. Until that writer's block is gone, until that content creation block is gone, all you do is study what other people are doing. And I'm going to give you guys a tool for you guys to get this done on steroids. So Denise has a way of doing it. She goes through Instagram, she goes through Facebook, whatever. She sees what other brands are doing. I'm going to give you guys the marketer's tool, all right? Which is free. So if you guys go to google.com and you search Facebook ad library, that is the actual search. You can see right here, Facebook ad library. When you search that, it's going to have, the first result is going to be exactly what you're looking for. When you click on that one, let's just look at a real example. Again, to get rid of the writer's block or the content creation block, the only thing that you got to do is sit down and look at what other brands are doing until it's gone and your creative juices start flowing again. If you are still not thinking like creating, keep on doing this. On Instagram, anywhere you want, on YouTube, whatever. This is my favorite tool.
Yeah.
So let's say over here, if I go to ad category, I'm going to go to all ads. I'm going to go to USA. Let me search, for example, for one of the big competitors. Let's look at L'Oreal, right? For example. So all of them show up. There's 11 advertisers. I want to look at the general one. So let's just click on this one right here. When you do that, you can spend some time looking at what everybody is doing. These are, guys, this is the exact, there is no blocks on advertising on social media. You can see every single advertising campaign that any brand is running across the world of Facebook and Instagram. All you got to do is do this exact thing that I just did right now. You go to google.com, okay? G-O-O, just kidding, all right? And you type in Facebook ad library. When you type in Facebook ad library, it's going to show up this link. You select all ads, and then you go in there and you make a list of 10 competitors that you have. We all have competitors, unless your name is Elon Musk, right? And you build the greatest vehicle, electric vehicle in the universe. Unless you're Elon Musk, you have competitors, right? So you make a list of 10 competitors or 20, and you start looking at them one by one, and you see what they're doing. And here's the beautiful thing. You can see how they write their messages, what videos they're creating, websites, and how they look. I can click on the website, and I can go check it out, and I can see how it's formed. This is actually in Walmart. Whoa. They're sending people to the Walmart site. But regardless, just proving the point. Yeah. Because of what Facebook went through and the whole like Mark Zuckerberg debacle, going to Congress, Cambridge Analytica, all these things that happened a few years ago, Facebook rolled out the ability for you to see exactly what anybody else is doing. So again, when I say that you guys are running out of excuses, I mean it. You are out of excuses. All you got to do is go in there and find out what other ones are doing and not plagiarize. Get inspired by it. Not copy. Use it as a source for you to understand how others are actually succeeding so you can come up with your own way and you can become your own artist for your own brand.